Yes.
Welcome to all the students of class 12. In this class, we discuss about some properties of determinant. The properties of determinant is some properties are shown on the board. First property is the value of determinant remains unchanged when its row and column are interchanged. If we take any determinant and change its row and column both, means row interchange into column and column interchange into row, then the value of determinant remains same. Then the value of determinant cannot be changeable. Suppose that the determinant is given. Suppose that we take an example for this property. Suppose that property first we prove this property by example or any theory. The value of determinant remains unchanged and its row and column are interchanged. To showing this property, we have to take a determinant. Suppose that a determinant is given that its element is 2, 7 and 65 and 3, 8 and 75. Again 5, 9 and 26. Now we can interchange this row and column. Interchange the row and column. Then determinant A remains. Row is interchanged into column and column interchanged into row. First row interchanged into first column is 2, 7 and 65. Now 3, 8 and 75 and 5, 9 and 86. The given determinants, the value of this determinant and value of this determinant will be same. For this, we explain the given determinant by R1 is first row. We can express this determinant by first row, and first row element is 2, 7 and 65. Then the value of determinant will be 2 into 8, 75, 9, 86 minus 7 into 3, 75 and 5, 26 plus 65 into 3, 8 and 5, 9. Now we have to expand next by integral. Then R1 is equal to sum of 2 into 86 x 6 48, x 6 48 minus 48 and 8 x 64 plus 68 minus 75 minus 7 86 16 8 24 plus 25 minus 25 and 7 35 plus 2 37 plus 65 into 9 27 minus 40 2 6 88 minus 6 75 is 2 into 13 minus 7 into 5 minus 8 equal to minus 7. 5, 8 minus 7, 6 minus 5, 1 minus 17 and 1. 5 into minus 13, 26 minus plus 7 7 ja 49, 11 7 ja 77 plus 4 81 minus 75 63 55 and 13 65 65 and 13 75 13 and 8 45. It is equal to 9 plus 6 5. 9 plus 6 equal to 5. 1 plus 2 3. 9 plus 6 6 and 2 plus 1 10 minus 8 35. Sorry, it is 9 plus 6 means 15 and 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4 and 8 45 minus 8 45, it is equal to 10. Similarly, we can extend the interchange uh, determinant by first column. If we extend the interchange determinant by C1, then it will be 2 into 2 into determinant get 9, get 9 and 75 86 minus 7 into 5 5 and 75 86 plus and 65 and 85 and 9. By observing the both determinants means expression for both determinants are same, then its value will be equal. Then we can find the value of these determinants are equal. Therefore, given determinant A is equal to interchange determinant A. Hence, the first property is proved. Now, we proved the second property. Now, we discuss about second property. Second property is stated that if two rows or two columns are interchanged of a determinant, then its value remains same, but its sign will be interchanged. Suppose that a determinant of any order is given. Suppose that the determinant is given for second property, two rows or two columns are interchanged, then the value of determinant remains same. By interchanging two corresponding rows or two corresponding columns, the value of determinant remains unchanged, but its sign will be changed. Means the determinant gets negative sign. If the value of determinant gets in the first condition is positive, then by interchanging of two consecutive row and consecutive column, the value will be negative. Hence, we have to find the determinant by an example. Suppose that the determinant is given that 1 minus 3 and 2, 4 and minus 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 2. It is a determinant. The value of this determinant is 1 into minus 1, 2 and 5, 2 and minus plus 3 into 4, 2 and 3, 2 plus 2 into the 2 minus 6. So the 2 into 20 minus minus plus 3. It is equal to 1 into minus 12 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 23. It is equal to minus 12 plus 6 plus 46 means 46 plus 6 means 52 minus 20 is equal to 40. The value of the determinant is equal to 40. Now we have to find this determinant by interchanging two row or two column. V R1 is interchanged into R2 and R2 is interchanged into R1. Then determinant A remains 4 minus 3 and 2. 1 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 and 2. 4 minus 1 2 and 1 minus 3 2 and 3 5 2. Then its value will be 4 into minus 3 2 and 5 2 minus 10 plus 1 into determinant 1 2 and 3 2 minus 2 into determinant 1 minus 3 and 3 5. Then the determinant remains minus 6 minus 10 plus 1 into minus 6 minus 10. Minus 6 minus 10. 2 minus 6 minus 2. 5 minus minus plus 9. It is equal to 4 into minus 16 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 into 13. It is equal to minus 80. Sorry, minus 64 and minus 4 minus plus 9 into 2. Not थोड़ा सा left of this property we take the other determinant 8 7 and 6 4. Then its value will be 8 into 4 minus 7 into 6 48 minus 42 and it is 6. By interchanging changing its row, then determinant A will be 6 4 and 6 4 and 8 7. Then its value will be 6 7 the 42 minus 8 4 the 32. 8 4 the 32. 92 minus 42 means minus 10 42 minus 32. It is equal to 10. Since its value is negative and its value is positive, the both having are same, but its sign is different. Then we can say that the second property is correct. From third property, if two rows or two columns of the determinant are identical, then the value of determinant will be 0. Identical means same. If two row of the matrix or two columns of the matrix are equal, then the value of determinants will be 0. We can show this determinant by an example. Suppose that two determinant. Suppose that a determinant is given A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Similarly, A1, B1, C1. In this determinant, R1 and R3 are same. Then we extend it by first row. expand by first row R1. Then A1 into B2 C2 and B1 C1 minus B1 A2 C2 and A1 C1 plus C1 into A2 B2 and A1 B1 A1 into B2 C1 B2 C1 minus C2 B1 minus B1 into A2 C1 minus C2 A1 plus C1 into A1 B2 minus A2 B1 minus A1 B2. Then A1 B2 C1 minus A1 C2 B1 minus B1 A2 C1 minus plus B1 C2 A1 plus C1 A2 B1 minus A1 B2 C1 A1 B2 C1 and A1 B2 C1 positive negative cancel A1 C2 B1 and A1 C2 B1 positive negative cancel B1 A2 C1 B1 A2 C1 positive negative cancel. Here R1 is equal to in this determinant R1 is equal to R3, therefore determinant A is equal to 0. Hence we can say that the third property is proved. Now we discuss about the fourth property. For a square matrix A of order n, K into A means any matrix is multiplied with any a scalar quantity, then this determinant can take this value is k to the power n into determinant A of this property. We can say that if we take a determinant matrix, its element is A1, B1 and A2, B2, then KA will be equal to KA1 into KB1, KA2 and KB2. Therefore, this is the matrix. Then determinant A is equal to A1, B1 and A2, B2. Therefore, determinant KA is equal to KA1, KB1 and KA2 and KB2. Then we can say that we can take A from first row and A from second row. A from first row, then A1, B1 and KA2 and KB2. Now we can take A from second row, A1, B1 and A2, B2. Then the matrix remains A square into A1, B1 and A2, B2. Hence, it is satisfied the property 4. Hence, the property 4 is proved. Now, its property. If two rows or two columns of a determinant are proportional, then its value will be 0. If two rows or two columns is proportional, then the ratio of the corresponding element of two rows and two columns are equal, then its value will be 0. Then time and determine. Suppose that for property 5, take let A is the determinant of second order. Suppose that determinant is 4 minus 1 and 1 3. Then I can take the determinant of A1, B1, C1 and KA1, KB1 and KC1, A2, B2 and C2. We observe that in this determinant, the first row and second row are proportional to each other. Means every element of row first and row second are proportional to each other. Now we can take A from the second row. Take A from second row. Then determinant A remains A into A1, B1 and C1, A1, B1 and C1 and A2, B2 and C2. And we see that the first row and second row of the determinant are equal, means the every element of row first and every element of row second are equal. Therefore, A into determinant 0 and it is 0. Now for sixth determinant, sixth property. If all elements of any row or any column of a determinant are 0, then the determinant will be also 0. We show this property by an example. Suppose that a determinant A is given that A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2 and 0, 0 and 0 means third row of the determinant is 0. Hence we have to prove that the value of this determinant is also 0. Now the value of determinant equal to A1 into B2, C2, 0, 0 minus B1, A2, C2 and 0, 0 plus C1, A2, B2 and 0, 0. A1 by cross multiplication 0 minus 0 minus B1 by cross multiplication 0 minus 0 plus B1 by cross multiplication it is 0 minus 0 and it is equal to 0. Hence the seventh properties are satisfied. Now six properties are true. The seventh property: if any two row or column of a determinant is multiplied by any number and added to any row or column, then its value is not changed. This property we have it in the properties of matrix, and similarly that property is also proved easily. In the next class, the student will be learning about extending the determinant by their property. And